First of all, I want to thank you very much to Sabine and the SECPHO for this opportunity to present our company and our products and solutions. My name is Joan Puig, and I'm the Deputy Director of Iris Technology Solutions. And my presentation is about photonics-based turnkey solutions for smart agriculture and food industry. Sorry. Now. Light is the main leitmotif of my presentation because our products and solutions are based on photonics, which is the physical science of light generation, detection, and manipulation. In IRIS, we mainly work with the wavelength, visible, and infrared, this last better known as NIR. Our applications in agriculture are focused after the harvesting process, drying, storage, milling, and packaging, among others. So the examples in the presentation come from these activities of the daily chain. After this introduction, I think it's time to let you know who we are. IRIS is an advanced engineering company specialized in real-time monitoring and digital analytics platform for driving improved process quality and efficiency. I want to highlight, for us it's very important, that our very focus is centered on providing turnkey solutions to our clients. IRIS was founded more than a decade ago, but we still have the spirit of a young company. And thanks to all these years working with deep technology in national and international challenging projects, we have developed our own industrial-grade NIR analyzers under the VISUM trademark, which have been integrated in a high-demanding multinational companies. But we don't lose our innovation culture and DNA, so we keep pushing hard with a clear vocation in research and development strategy, and currently we are at the top 10 SMEs in Europe with Horizon 2020 granted projects. Now, I would like to focus on our industrial-grade NIR analyzers. So let me introduce our VISUM family products. First one is the VISUM Palm. It is our portable NIR product. It is a standalone device with its own computer and predictive algorithms ready to be used in any place and conditions thanks to its 63 ingress protection and 8 hours of autonomy. When the application requires specific conditions to read the product, we also develop a holder-specific tool to allow measuring the product with a better accuracy. So we work together with the client to find a better solution. Types of applications where the VISUM Palm is used are raw material identification and quality parameters monitoring, like moisture or protein in grain, like wheat, soya, or barley, for instance. But we also have the same application for meat and other metrics. With VISUM Palm, we can determine the particle size in powders, such as flour and cocoa. And we have other uses in the oil production control quality parameters. If we move to devices to be integrated in industrial environments, we find the VISUM In-Line, which is the VISUM Palm brother to be used in industrial installations like conveyor belts, pipes, dryers, or blenders. VISUM In-Line has been designed to be able to work in hard and aggressive conditions, and its main functions are continuous monitoring of quality parameters, control of adulteration, product standardization, and detection of unexpected changes in the product composition. The VISUM In-Line applications are pretty similar to the VISUM Palm ones. It can also monitor quality parameters like moisture, fat content or protein, solids like grain, but also in liquids such as milk. Other applications are monitoring of sugar content in fruits, oleic acid, and other parameters in the oil production, or one of our latest developments, ethanol and sugar concentration during fermentation process. Now we move to another use of the technology. VISUM HSI is our first hyperspectral solution and has been designed for inline monitoring solutions where spatial information is crucial. Its modularity makes easy integrations, avoiding any modification of the production line or trays selected to be installed, meaning we install our solution on the client structure without modifying any critical process. VISUM HSI has many different applications, similar to before, again, monitoring of quality parameters like moisture or protein. But we find new applications to control the fruit ripening and fruit shape, and also the determination of freshness in vegetables. Finally, we have also the foreign bodies detection in the surface. The last VISUM product I want to show in this presentation is the VISUM HPR, one of our ultimate devices developed by us and which consists in a self-contained HSI analyzer conceptualized to work in harsh environments. The HPR is portable to be used in different locations, and it has user-friendly design to be used by operators without any technological knowledge. Aim of the HPR is to have a portable, quality control, high-tech device to be used by operators in different places, like a moving laboratory. With VISUM HPR, we are offering to the market a fat, protein, and moisture monitoring for meat, mince, and slide. But currently, we are in the development process of a new solution for a grain quality control based on official methods, and also importing solutions created with VISUM HSI to extend the HPR library. Now, I would like to show you some of the custom solutions we have made for the winery sector. The first one is an in-line polyphenols monitoring. It is installed in a winery barrels and monitors 100% of the production when the fermentation has finished and the press process starts. The in-line polyphenols monitoring system sends the read to the press in order to control the pressure applied to the grape to get high-quality wines as a closed-loop control system. The second solution, the right-hand side, is an in-line density monitoring to set the fermentation endpoint. The fermentation endpoint is critical to free the barrels because tons of grape are waiting to be introduced as soon as possible. And the energy consumption to cool the barrels is very high. So the less time in the barrel, the better. We have applied this product in wine, but it is also exportable to other solutions such as the beer production. And finally, I would like to talk about our value proposition to the market. As commented in one of my first slides, we are turnkey solutions provider, and our value proposition to companies is not just to provide our product, it's to provide a complete solution to cover our client needs. We can do it because thanks to our multidisciplinary and expert team, we are able to understand our clients from their product to how they operate. So we speak the same language. We are also flexible to modify, this is very important, to modify our devices to cover needs where others are not willing to. In IDS, we have our own chemical laboratory, so we create the product references to develop the predictive models and libraries. It allows us to develop specific solutions or to improve our libraries very fast. So this is it, and I hope you enjoyed my presentation, and the most important, that you understood our mission in this world. So thank you very much for your attention.